This is a 3D LUT lookup table. It maps colors for video editing. You load it into Premiere or DaVinci Resolve to apply a color grade. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's grade the footage. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a CUBE file. Here's a sneak peek. A CUBE file can represent either Gaussian output data or a lookup table LUT for color grading. Gaussian CUBE files contain computational chemistry data, such as molecular orbitals and electron densities, often visualized using specialized software. LUT CUBE files, on the other hand, store color transformation data used in image and video editing to apply specific color styles or corrections. Gaussian CUBE files typically contain a header with information about the molecular system, followed by a grid of data points representing the values of a particular property, e.g. electron density, at each point. LUT CUBE files store a 3D grid of color values, where each point in the grid represents an input color and the corresponding output color after the LUT is applied. Interpolation is often used to determine the output color for input colors that fall between grid points. Windows registers the CUBE file as an opener for Gaussian developed by Gaussian Inc. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the CUBE file and choose Open With. Start with Gaussian if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If you still can't open the CUBE file, it's okay. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your CUBE file is generating this error. First, use Scientific Viewer. Open the file using molecular modeling scientific software, e.g. Avogadro, Gaussian, to visualize the data. Next, check version. Ensure the viewer version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, open as text. Open the CUBE file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.